Welcome back class 7. Here question number second, exercise 7.2 is, here question second is find the roots of the following equation. Here the question is find the roots of the following equation. So here some equations are given and we have to find out the value of what variable. Variables जो दे रखे हैं उनकी value find करनी. For example here variable are y, here x, here a, here m, here l and here p. So we have to find out the value of variables. So I have copied here one question. So firstly here written minus y. We will shift this by to the left side of this equal to, like this. Here it is positive. When it came to the left side of the equal to, it converted in negative sign, and 2 remaining as it has on the right side of the equal to. Equal to के right side में ही रहेगा, ठीक है. When we add it, we got here minus 2 y, and here we got 2. Now divide by 2 on both side. दोनों ही साइड में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 2 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. So here we will write 2 minus y upon 2, and here we will write 2 by 2. Here the 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and here we will write 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2. If we divide by minus 2, then we have minus here also and here also. Minus cancel minus, here remaining minus. So we will write here y बराबर minus 1, and this is the root of this equation. इस equation का जो root है that is minus 1. Here we are going to solve one more question. Here it is given m by 4 plus 6 and m by 2 minus 2. So here this have variable, this have variable, these are constant. So we will write variable one side, on the left side we will variable. So we will write m by 4 as it had, and we will shift this m by 2 to the left side of this equal to के left side में लेकर आएंगे. Here it is positive, it became negative here, like this, and here we will shift this 6 to the right side of this bracket. Here it is positive, and here it became negative, and we will write minus 2 as it is. After that we will take LCM, it became 4, and we will write 4 ones are 4. So here m multiply with 1, here minus 2 2s are 4, so 2 multiply with m. Here when we add them we got minus 8. Here m ones are m, m 2s are 2m, and here we got 4, and here minus 8. Here this 4 is in negative form, sorry, is in division. So when it go to the right side of this equal to, it will be multiplied with minus 8, like this. And here when we subtract, we got here minus m. Clear? Minus m, minus cancel to minus, and m equal to 8 4s are 32, and this is the answer. Or we can say that m is the root of this equation and m equal to 32. So here I am going to solve one more question. Here it is 2l plus 5 divided by 3 equal to 4. So firstly we will write here 2l plus 5, and we will shift this 3 to this side. When we take this side, it became 4 multiply 3. Here it is in division form, here it convert in multiplication form. So we will write here 2l plus 5, and we will multiply this, we got 12. 4 3s are 12. Now here 12 we will write as it as, this 5 is positive, it became to the this side, it became negative 5. 12, and here when we subtract we got 7, and this 12 is in multiplied with L. So what we will do, we will divide by 2 on both sides. So 2l by 2, and here 7 by 2. 2 cancel to 2, here remaining l equal to 7 by 2. and this is the root of this equation. Clear? Here question number 3 is saying that check whether the given value in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So here value of the variable is given and we have to put it in our equation. If LHS and RHS are equal, in that condition that value is solution of this equation, otherwise not. Clear? So here I have written x, so we will write here put the value of x in equation, right? So here x is x plus 15, it became x plus 2, it became 15 plus 2, and here in upon it is 2, we will write 2, and here it is 13, we will write here 13. Now see here, if we add them, 15 plus 2 equal to 17 by 2 equal to 13. See carefully, is it equal? No. So we will write here L, H, S are not equal to RHS. To RHS. In that condition, x equal to 15 is not a solution for this equation. Clear? Now here we are going to solve one more question. So right here put the value of x in equation. So here 3 and 3x, this is multiplying, these two terms are in multiply form, so we will write here will multiply 3 and plus 2 equal to 11, right? Now here 3 3s are 9 plus 2 equal to 11. This 11 is coming as it is, okay? And here 9 and 2 became 11, and here 11 as it is. See carefully, both are equal now. So we will write here L H S equal to R H S. So B cancel right here. So here x equal to 3 is a solution for this equation. अगर हमारे LHS equal आ रहे हैं, in that condition solution है. Equal नहीं आ रहे हैं तो solution नहीं है. Clear? Now solve C, D, F, C and B in your notebook and send me pic of your homework. Thank you.